So this is a dash strobe light. So we're going to get this set up here. If you have an emergency vehicle or maybe a towing company, this is very helpful. Make sure that everybody can see you on the road. So here's what it looks like. This is going to sit on your dash. It has suction cups to help hold it in place. It has a control unit here, and this has an adhesive back so you can stick it anywhere on your console. And now for the main item. All right, so here is what this looks like. And your little suction cups are just going to go right into there, and then it can go right on your dashboard. So this here is for your suction cups, and what happens is once you put them in there, this will go against your window like this and hold it in place. So this is going to shine out through your front window like that. So let's get this plugged in so we can see what the light looks like. So there are two of these. So you can put one in your passenger side, one in your driver's side, or if you want one on your back and one in the front, if you have a pickup, that might work. So we'll get these installed here so you can see what they look like in the front there. All right, so there it is. And there you've got your patterns. You can see they're running the same pattern together. One in the front, one in the back there, so you can see them. You've got your different settings, different patterns. You go up to 26 again, and then there's also custom settings. So you can set your pattern. You can speed it up. You can slow it down. You can go to the left, so you can go to the right, back to the left, change up your pattern. Again, this goes to 26 different patterns, and then back to one. One nice feature is that this will turn off and on, so you don't use your power all the time pulling it out of your lighter. Turn it on and off. So there's what you have to work with there. And again, it has the suction cup, so you can put it right there on your front, and you're good to go.